Welcome. This is Joni at Stop Motion Creations, and today is Froggy Friday, and we're at the Angus Gholson Nature Park. There are trails to walk, hills to climb, and many flowers to see. Froggy and I had a great time. I hope you enjoy looking at some of the photos that we took. The flowers, the lizards, the trails, the stream, and my frog Marsh. Isn't he cute? That's false garlic. Those are phlox and violets. There's a cute little waterfall. This is an anole lizard. We walked all the way to a pond. And the Adamasco lilies are climbing up and down the hills. It was a beautiful day for Marsh and I to be at the park. And as always, I would like to thank you for watching.